English-Tagalog Translation Lesson number 25. Let's not stress over it. Let's not stress over it. Huwag na nating problemahin yan. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Maliit na bagay lang yan. Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime. Magkita-kita naman tayo minsan. I need to track my spending. I need to track my spending. Kailangan kong bantayan ang gastos ko. Let's tackle this problem head-on. Let's tackle this problem head-on. Harapin natin ang problemang to. Let's drop by his place later. Let's drop by his place later. Daan tayo sa bahay niya mamaya. We're on the right track. We're on the right track. Tama ang ginagawa natin. That's beyond my comprehension. That's beyond my comprehension. Hindi ko na kayang intindihin yan. Let's explore all possibilities. Let's explore all possibilities. Alamin natin ang lahat ng posibilidad. We need to think long term. We need to think long term. Kailangan nating mag-isip ng pangmatagalan. Let's consider all angles. Let's consider all angles. Tingnan natin ang lahat ng anggulo. Let's talk things through. Let's talk things through. Pag-usapan natin ang mga bagay na yan. I feel like we're drifting apart. I feel like we're drifting apart. Pakiramdam ko nagkakalayo na tayo. We need to have a heart-to-heart talk. We need to have a heart-to-heart talk. Kailangan nating mag-usap ng masinsinan. I need to pay off my credit card. I need to pay off my credit card. Kailangan kong bayaran ang credit card ko. I get what you mean. I get what you mean. Naiintindihan ko ang ibig mong sabihin. Never mind. Never mind. Huwag na lang. Just let me know if you need anything. Just let me know if you need anything. Sabihin mo lang sa akin kung may kailangan ka. I'll look into it. I'll look into it. Titingnan ko yan. Time flies. Time flies. Ang bilis ng panahon. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Sobrang saya ko ngayon. Sorry for the mix-up. Sorry for the mix-up. Pasensya na sa kaguluhan. Let's get started. Let's get started. Magsimula na tayo. That's a no-go. That's a no-go. Hindi pwede. What's your dream travel destination? What's your dream travel destination? Anong lugar ang pangarap mong puntahan? I found some bedbugs in my mattress. I found some bedbugs in my mattress. May nakita akong mga surot sa kutsyon ko. Can you put off our meeting until tomorrow? Can you put off our meeting until tomorrow? Pwede mo bang ipagpaliban ang meeting natin bukas? I need to fill out this form. I need to fill out this form. Kailangan kong sagutan ang form na to. I showed off my new car to my friends. I showed off my new car to my friends. Ipinagyabang ko ang bago kong kotse sa mga kaibigan ko. Let's take out the trash before it starts to smell. Let's take out the trash before it starts to smell. Itapon na natin ang basura bago pa mangamoy.